Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to another exciting video on the indicator that I've created. It's based on the candle patterns and the indicator calls Candle Momentum Exhaustion. This is based on a chart strategy that I shared with you guys. So I just converted this thing into a indicator. So let me show you what it was. I created a video as well. You can find it in my playlist with the name indicator. So what that strategy was, it's basically I call it green bar elimination or red bar elimination. So whenever we have back to back three green candles and then one opposite candle, we have the perfect example here. So we have one, two, three red candles here, and then fourth one is the opposite color candle. So we mark the low of the fourth candle or the fifth candle, but no, it could be like, but we need to have minimum three continuous candles. Okay, and the fourth one is the opposite one, and then this is the breakout, and this becomes a sell entry. Okay, that could be your SL, and now you can see. So it basically shows you, let's say if you missed this trend, this green candle is the confirmation which shows that trend can continue, but this is when it breaks this particular line. So this happens on the this is basically in the trendy market, so it could be the bearish or the bullish market. Okay, so what it does now, as an indicator, I marked, oh, oh, I created an indicator where it marks the third candle as a black background, so that you can modify the color, whatsoever color you want. It can be blue. Okay, when it marks, and you can it will show you that trend is continuing. Okay, here as well. When colors, obviously the opposite color candle comes, you can exit. Here as well, you can see the third one is a red one. And if you mark the price here, that is something like this. And then you see a continuation. So that's how this indicator works. So in this candle momentum exhaustion, I have provided input for the number of consecutive candles. So this is right now 3, because 3 is the perfect confirmation where to find the momentum reversal or the continuation, the trend reversal or the continuation. Okay. So, and you can enable alerts as well in case you want to see it. And that's totally applies on any time frame. Okay, right now it is 5 minutes. You can see this on 15 minutes as well. It can apply on hourly candle, daily candle as well. So that remains the same, because these three candle setup confirms the trend continuation or the reversal from here. So this can be on any other chart. Okay, so that's pretty much about this indicator, and that's available on TradingView for free, of course. You will love it. You can just apply it on the chart that you trade on. So right now it is bank nifty, right? And then you can see here is the perfect example, 1 2 3, right? And this time on 15 minute it is not continuation. Now trend is trying to reverse. Okay, so let's try this on let's say nifty. You can see it clearly provides the provides it the same way. Okay, it's on 15 minute. Nifty, bank nifty, Indian indices are something that we trade in 5 minutes. So let's say if I go to BTC, in BTC you can see. So recently this was the down trend, and you can see this itself helps you getting the trend capture. So that is like 1000 plus move, 1000 USD plus move, right? And it's not based on any uh, trading elements, RSI, MACD, moving average, nothing. It is only based on the candles, which shows where the momentum can be stronger or the reversal. So that is something visible on the chart itself, right? So I mean, sometimes elements are being manipulated, right? Moving average, when we see a crossover, it may not be crossover, it's a trap, and then it goes in the same direction. So yeah, I mean, that way chart or the candles are pretty strong enough to show the trend direction. So with this, thank you so much and see you in another video. Have a good day.